Hello, friends. Hi, guys. How are you all doing? You are highly welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. Yes, guys. I'm so happy and I'm so excited to see that you're doing good. Thank you for stopping by. If today's your first time coming across my video, you are welcome. My name is Mercy, and it's all about simple solutions to challenges of life. Yes, guys. I have some product that will work for you like magic. If you are done with your course breaker soap, you need a victory soap to settle everything that you need to settle. This is the soap. This is called a victory soap. This soap will enable you to have all-round victory. Victory in your academics, victory in your business, victory in your marriage. You are looking for promotion, victory in any battle you have been battling. You have been facing that battle. This is your victory soap. The soap that will give you victory. At any time you use it for any work, it will come out success. It is victory soap. After you break that course, you need victory to sustain that course that you have broken, to make it permanent. Okay? Breaking course is to set yourself free from where they have locked you. Because course is like a padlock. When they lock you, if you like, throw the padlock in water, padlock will remain locked. Throw it in any way you want to throw it, padlock remain locked unless you unlock it. It's either from the down, which is from the root. The course breaker soap will break that course for you from the root, or you break it to open it. That's the functions of that course breaker soap. Then this is your victory soap. It's also a healing soap. It's also a prosperity soap. But this is titled victory soap. Okay? When you get this soap, you get your key in the middle of your soap. Yes. When you are done taking your bath, I open the door of victory. Victory all over. Victory all over. As I use this soap, victory is mine. Morning, afternoon, victory is mine. Business, victory is mine. In my dream, victory is mine. You always see yourself becoming victorious over your enemy. Whether you like it or not, victory is sweet. And victory is what you need to overcome your enemies. I have your business salt. This is for to remove. Look at this salt. I'm trying to show you. It's blue in color. Maybe. Can you see it too? It smells very nice. The spiritual salt. It's blue in color. I don't know. I don't know if you can see it, but it's blue in color. It's looking white, but it's not white. Oh, it's blue in color. This one you don't eat it. Oh, this salt is wonderful. You don't eat this salt. If you have a shop, it's very salt. It's like sea salt. And you can see it is blue. The color is blue. It's made with crystals. Color is blue. So you put it in your shop. This salt, solution salt, it comes with fast selling water. Okay, if you get this salt, your business, you put it in your where you do your business. Your business will start booming with the crystal, with the fast selling water. Then extra divine grace, extraordinary Divine Grace, which is double grace perfume. Look at it. So powerful. Even if you don't have any of my products in your house, try and get this. You cannot overestimate what this perfume can do. Look at it. Look at inside. When you see inside, you see a lot of things. All these are natural things that draw money, people, open doors, relationships to you, good people to look at it. You just drop it in your bathing water. You can be going out like this. Like this. You see it. Your clothes. Because it smells nice. It's perf. Okay. You can use to do spiritual cleansing and all that. With this, the extra ordinary, powerful, double divine grace. You know what they call double? Yes, we are the Novembers. Double grace. With this perf, you are good to go. Even if you don't have any product, try and get this perf. It's just okay. It's very affordable. Look at it. It will draw. There's money inside. Safe. It is prepared with money. There's money inside. So it will draw money, customers, promotion, open doors, contracts, connections to you. You want to be connected. Anywhere you go, you will see. This perf, God will use it to advertise you to good people that will favor you and bless you, so that things will not be tough for you. Yes. Let me stop here. Yes, guys. When things is not working, you have tried everything you want to do. It look as if it's not working. You do back to sender. You do this, you do that. Yet you are still where you are. The situation still remains stubborn. He refused to go. Sister, go and seek the mercy of God. Brother, go and seek the face of God by seeking through his mercy. Go and seek the mercy of God. Go on 21 days praying, fasting, seeking the mercy of God with salt baths, head cleansing, and prayer for mercy. And you will come and testify. This is not a joke. You can decide you have cast, you have banned. They've condemned you that nothing good will come out of you. They've marked you. Mercy will erase that mark. Mercy will cleanse you up. We bathe you, cleanse you, purify you, and present you to the king, and present you to the queen. Present you to the king you are and the queen you are. Just like the same way, mercy vindicates Joseph. Mercy make Joseph a prime minister the day he came out from prison. Mercy make Esther to be a queen in a strange land. It is mercy that will push you forward to those that will favor you. If mercy say no, favor cannot come. If mercy say no, nothing else can work. Because it's not of him that willeth, nor him that runneth, but God that showeth mercy. So when mercy refuses to speak for you, I don't know what will liberate you. Before you say favor, you need the mercy of God. Even the life you are living is by his mercy. Okay. So when you are complaining nothing is working, mama, nothing, some people they will call. When they complain, you self, you want to run away because their complaints are too much. The thing they are telling you, they are passing is too much. You want to run away. Go for mercy. Stop complaining to a man. Stop complaining to a woman. Go for mercy. I always tell them, what have you done? Have you done one thing? Have you done any cleansing? They will say no. Have you done this? They say no. You just watch video, you rush to call. No. I want you to tell me why I stuff. I say, go and do something. Sister Mesha, I've done this. I've done this. I've done this. Maybe you should tell me what I need to do. Yes, that is good people, good question that deserve answer and attention to. Because mercy will break every chain. Mercy will set you free. Mercy will bring liberation to you. I tell you this story. Somebody ordered something from Ibadan. I packed what she ordered and I put my prosperity oil for her. And I called her to confirm my order. She said she did not order for prosperity oil, that she does not have money. And I told her that my spirit said I should put it. When you have money, you can pay. She said, okay. She has not even paid. I've sent her goods to her. I don't know. Later she called me. She said she has not paid. I said, I received a lot of alerts. So many people paid that very day. So I did not really know that you have not paid. When the load get to her house, her son picked the prosperity oil and started dancing with it. And she was like shunning the boy. Stop this oil. Don't pour this oil. Keep it. In her dream that night, she had a dream where they were caged, she and her children. And the boy asked her, Mommy, where is that oil? And the boy picked the oil, opened the oil, and poured it on the mother's head. And immediately, the power of God entered the mother. The mother said, what are we doing here? And she broke the cage. They came out. When they got to the gate, there was even a gate man that was asked to monitor them to ensure they never escape. The gate man looked at her and said, we have mercy for you and your children. You can go. She opened the gate and they came out. So all this while, they have been in a cage. And that cage is inside the house, locked with a gate. And other people, so many have told me testimony after one assignment. This is where they found themselves. This is how God moved them to another place. That is the work of mercy. The hand of mercy resting on your case. Sister, I'm giving you assignments. Brother, assignments. You that said thing is not working for you. All the spiritual aspect is not working. Okay? Start your prayer of mercy. When you are doing that prayer of mercy, go with salt baths. With Psalm 102 verse 13. Do air cleansing attached to it, removing that problem. You will see changes. When you are doing this prayer of mercy, be natural as a woman. Take off any artificial you have in your hair. Any artificial as your nail, take it off. Lipstick, makeup, leave it. Your cutters, your nails, take it off. Natural, the way God created you. Do this prayer and you will see what God is going to do in your life. You are a guy, do this prayer. You will see what God is going to do in your life. You are not married, stay away from fornication. Do this prayer of mercy with salt baths and air cleansing together for 21 days. Pack it up with 6 to 3. You will see what God will do in your life. How God will dissolve that mountain. How God will roll away that stone that is blocking you, your breakthrough. And how you will see breakthrough. Every other thing that you'll be doing will start working for you. No matter who has sinned, no matter the grievances they have committed, no matter the sacrifices they've used it to settle debt, the mercy of God can liberate you from where you are and transfer you to the next level. Now, when the mercy of God rests on your case, no power can stop you not to move forward. This is what I want to share with you. I hope you try to do something. This year is not a year you joke. It's not like 2020. It's 2021. Whether you like it or not. Some people will get bigger. Some people will get richer. Some people will get be more beautiful. Some people will go higher. While some people will go down for others to climb. Somebody must go down for you to climb. Your enemy must go down for you to rise. This is what I want to share with you. My family, my friends. So that you can come and rule and say, Sister Mercy, I want to give you a car key. It has happened. I say, give me the car key. I want it. Yes. Thank you for listening. Put it into practice and you see what God will do in your life. Bye.